Okay, we were taking another integral. This one's from the Florida Integration Bee 2016, number 16. We have the integral of this whole messy expression dx. Okay, a few things I'm noticing here. It's interesting that we have x squared plus 1 here, here, and here. I'm thinking that's probably going to help us out here in a minute. The other thing, just noticing we have a plus sign here, it makes me think we could distribute everything out and have two expressions, and maybe it's some kind of reverse product rule. And last, this is kind of concerning right here. We could take this and probably just bring it out front of the natural log. So what I want to do to rewrite this is just kind of distribute everything out and create this as two terms. So distributing in the e square root x squared plus 1, we're going to have e square root x squared plus 1 times the square root x squared plus 1 over this stuff. And then for the second part, we'll distribute the same thing in e squared root x squared plus 1. Here I'm going to bring that x squared out front, so we'll have an x squared natural log x over x squared plus 1. But now we're going to get some cancellation because this is going to cancel with this. I can cancel an x with one of these. And then notice that we've got the same thing here and here. And the way the exponential works is when we take the derivative, we get the same thing back. I'm kind of wondering, what is the derivative of this going to be? So what I'm going to do is let's label this piece right here. We'll call this our g. And then I'm going to take a derivative on this. So differentiating, first we get the whole thing back. And then we're going to need the chain rule. Derivative of square root x squared plus 1, that's going to be like 1 over 2 square root x squared plus 1. And then we need the chain rule again. Derivative of this stuff is just going to be 2x. But then 2's are going to cancel here. And what we have right here for g prime, that's going to be everything right here, excluding the ln x. But then this is going to work really nice because what we can do, we can put a label on natural log x. We can call this our f. But then we have our f prime right here, 1 over x. So let me write all that stuff out. So what we have here is perfectly set up to use the product rule. So for our product rule, we're going to have f g prime is going to be the same thing as f prime g plus f g prime. Everything we have here is in this setup right here inside of an integral. So we're integrating here. But the integral of this derivative, that's just going to be the stuff inside. So this whole thing is going to be just f times g. But here we already have all the values we need. We have our f value, which is ln x. We have our g value, which is this thing. And so we can just put this together. For the final solution of this, we're just going to have natural log x times e square root x squared plus 1, add a plus c, and that's it. Okay, there you go. Good one from the Florida Integration Bee 2016. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.